Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy Saturday, everyone. So this video, I'm going to give a usage review, 30-day usage review of Mercusys AX1500 Wi-Fi 6 router. All right. So recently purchased this router, guys, approximately a month ago, and one of my subscriber had requested me to put a review, a detailed review of how the product is performing after a length of usage. All right. And so I decided to make this video. So for you to decide should you buy this router or not. All right. And in one word, if you want to give you a verdict, I would definitely recommend you to purchase this router because it's a budget-friendly router as well as it has the Wi-Fi 6 capability. All right, so it's actually time to move on from Wi-Fi 4 or Wi-Fi 5 if you have to the N-1 version I would call, all right, because there is another version 6E which is Wi-Fi 6 enhanced, all right, but it's not very there is no much of a difference between Wi-Fi 6 and Wi-Fi 6E, but however Wi-Fi 6 is still N-1 version, which is very much capable of satisfying your internet needs, all right, with utmost performance in terms of speed and range. Okay, however, there are some of the some of the negatives as well. Like negatives in the sense, if you purchase this router, okay, assuming that it will give you the utmost internet speed, where it is going to give you the unexpected speed as well. But however, there is a point to be noted is that this will give you the max benefit only if you have a device that supports Wi-Fi 6 technology. Like in case if your mobile phones having Wi-Fi 4 or Wi-Fi 5 technologies, it will still be at the same level of speeds, internet speeds. I mean, if you have a plan of let's say 250 Mbps, like if your previous router was just supporting the Wi-Fi 5 technology, the same speeds you are going to get in this particular router as well. I mean, if your mobile phone used to give you around 175 to 200 Mbps of speed based out of your 250 Mbps plan, you're still going to get the same speed even if you are using if you are going to use this Wi-Fi 6 router. That's because your mobile phone is not using the Wi-Fi 6 technology. Okay, you will experience the maximum benefit if your mobile phone has the Wi-Fi 6 technology enabled. Then only you will get the max benefits out of this router. The main purpose I purchased this router is because all my mobile phones at my home has Wi-Fi 6 router. All right, so that's why I am actually getting the max benefit out of these Wi-Fi 6 routers. All right, as well as I have a couple of laptops that has still Wi-Fi that is still using Wi-Fi 5 technologies where I'm not getting that maximum speed benefit. All right, like for example, I can just show you here this laptop, right, which is my Asus gaming PC. It has the Wi-Fi 6 technology. We can just quickly corroborate that by going into this here. You see here, my laptop supports Wi-Fi 6 technology, this particular thing over here. All right, and currently my internet broadband plan is around 450 Mbps plan. Okay, but when I'm just going doing a speed test now, quickly, all right, I'm just going to click on go just now, go button just now, and you can see here, guys. So let me probably restart my browser and try again. So you can see here, guys, it's touching almost like 500 and um, almost it is going 550 Mbps, at least the download speed if I want to talk about. However, I've always had this upload issues. The upload speed is not up to the mark, but however, if the download speed is most important in your day-to-day activities. If you're either if you're working from home or if you're doing any sort of gaming activities, you all you need is the download speed, which is um, I mean, it's unexpected speed here. All right, it's exceeding my expectation. In fact, all right, my plan is 450. However, I'm actually getting 550 Mbps of download speed. Though the upload speed is not to the level which I would have desired, but however, still the upload speed is not up to the mark. Though I'm seeing the download speed is quite well up there, like beyond. It's going beyond my expectations. Okay, so that's really good here. When it comes to download speed, it definitely is way. I mean, above par, I will say. And that's really good if I talk about the Wi-Fi 6 technology. Previously, in my old router, it does not. used to go this up to this much, right? Like it used to clock somewhere between 375 to 425 Mbps, based out of my 450 Mbps plan. So which is really good according to me. All right. So I mean, considering this speed, download speed, I will definitely recommend you to purchase this router without any hesitancy. And I'm just going to talk about a few of its capabilities. All right, as in we'll look into some of its core features. Okay, I've signed on to my router just now. You have something called as SPI firewall under security. It is called as stateful packet inspection firewall, guys. All right. So this particular feature is actually enabled by default, I would say. That's because this particular SPI firewall protection feature keeps track of the state of your network connections traveling within your network. Right? This feature also protects your internet connection against threats, particularly coming in the form of denial of service attacks. Okay, which is why it is recommended to always keep this feature enabled. All right, and this is one of the feature which should be mostly available within all the routers. Okay, for that matter of fact. All right, and some of the other features, if I want to speak about that's available within this router particularly. All right, and this is, guys, a 1500 gigabit per second Wi-Fi router. Okay, it will support only up to 1500 Mbps plan. Okay, if you go beyond it, it will not be supporting, and it supports a frequency of 5 gigahertz channel. All right, and also um, what is you call it, we have something called, this router particularly contains a feature called OFDMA as well as MUMIMO that allows simultaneous data transmission to and from several devices, guys, and as a result improving overall network efficiency. So if you want to know what this OFDMA and MUMIMO is, okay, so let me quickly, these are all networking term, guys. So for example, MUMIMO means multi-user, multi-input, multi-output, guys. This is a wireless technology that was firstly introduced in Wi-Fi 5 standard. All right, so that means that it allows a single access point to transmit data to multiple devices simultaneously as well, increasing your wireless network experience. All right, increasing your overall internet experience. So, and the other feature that I told you earlier is OFDMA, which is nothing but orthogonal frequency division multiple access. Basically, this particular technology is indeed introduced in Wi-Fi 6 technology that improves your wireless network performance by establishing independently modulating subcarriers within the frequencies. Okay, so this approach, what it does is it allows simultaneous transmissions to and from multiple clients. All right, so these are all networking terms, guys. Basically, if you are like if you have done let's say Cisco certifications, particularly CCNA, or if you have done CCNP certifications, you'll be well aware of these terms. Okay, so these are technical jargons, guys, which is a little complex to explain, but however, these are all the features that are available within this router, which makes a very good choice for you to buy this router. All right, and also it has, like I said, it easily covers a range of 50-meter, guys. All right, and that's because of its broader, stronger coverage. It has a 4x multi-directional high gain antennas, okay, with beam forming boost stable connections throughout your home for strong Wi-Fi signals in every corner of your house. Okay, so that does not require you to set up a repeater in your house. Okay, basically it has a very good Wi-Fi range. Okay, like I said, it easily covers a range of 50 meters. All right, another feature is called as gigabit wired connections that makes full use of your internet access and also transfers data at dizzying speeds for your peak performance of your internet, basically. All right, and if I talk about the protection, all right, overall there is this router offers you overall security protection in the form of latest WPA3 protocol, okay, which gives you protection particularly against brute force attacks. Okay, where attackers can try to guess your network's password using all kinds of brute forcing tools. Okay, so it offers you this brute force protection in the form of WPA3 protocol. Okay, previously I had explained you what exactly WPA3 is. Okay, so I will show you whether it is supported or not. If you can see here, I just went to Wi-Fi properties. You can see the security type clearly mentions WPA3. All right. So basically, what it means is it's nothing but Wi-Fi protected access 3 technology, guys. So it's the third iteration of a security certification standard developed by the company Wi-Fi Alliance. All right. And also, this WPA3 is the latest updated implementation of WPA2 protocol, which has been in use since 2004. And this Wi-Fi Alliance began certifying WPA3 approved products since 2018. Okay, and so that's some of the features I've already explained you guys. Like it gives overall security protection for your Wi-Fi connection using this WPA3 protocol, security protocol. And also it has another feature called less Wi-Fi interference, which means it minimizes the interference from neighboring signals to improve the overall transmission efficiency with something called BSS color. Okay, so if you ask me what is exactly this BSS color is about in networking, or in particularly in Wi-Fi 6, okay, it's basically a method used to differentiate between the BSS as in basic service set. Okay, basically this BSS refers to basic service set coloring. Okay, again, it's all these are networking terms, guys. So it is a method used to differentiate between the basic service set color of access points and their clients on the same channel. All right. So all these are networking terms. You need not worry about it. So this router, if you ask me in a single word, should you buy this router or not? Yes, I will definitely recommend you. It's budget friendly, and it has all the latest technologies and features. Okay. Another one is called as Smart Connect, that intelligently chooses the best available band for your device. All right, or I will say for each device. All right. Um, so that will give you the utmost speeds. Okay, for all your devices within your network. Okay, and if you see this internet speed, right, 553 I'm getting just now, the download speed. Maybe we'll do a retest as well. So I have currently connected almost 5 devices, and the download speed has not compromised at all. So which is a very good sign. When you have routers, particularly using Wi-Fi 5 technology, mostly what happens is if you connect more devices, the overall download and upload speed gets compromised. But here, the download speed is not getting compromised at all. It's pretty decent here. All right, it's pretty decent according to me, and you can definitely go for this router because it's actually available at a very decent price. Okay, and like if you found this video or review helpful, please hit the support button, guys, and do not forget to subscribe my channel for more useful product reviews like this. And we'll meet in the next video, guys. Until then, stay safe, eat healthy, cheers, tata, bye bye. So another thing I wanted to add is like this router is backward compatible, guys, which means any device that is using an older Wi-Fi technology like 4 or 5 will still be able to use I'm sorry, so we'll still be able to gel well with this Wi-Fi 6 router, meaning you will not have any internet issues. Okay, it will be successfully able to establish internet connectivity using this Wi-Fi 6 technology as well, but it will not get the maximum benefits of what supposedly a Wi-Fi 6 supporting device will get out of this Wi-Fi 6 router, meaning you will not get the fullest internet speed if your mobile device is still supporting an older Wi-Fi technology in the form of Wi-Fi 4 or Wi-Fi 5. Okay, but there should not be any compatibility issues connecting to your Wi-Fi 6 router. All right. And so just one more negative I will say is the overall installation and the setup methodology that you will go through would resemble a little onerous for you. Okay, so the overall installation procedure will be maybe it will look a bit challenging, but however, once you go through the manual guide that is present within your kit, okay, the box I mean, where you'll get the router placed, you will get a manual. If you read to the instructions, you should be able to install this router at your home by yourself. So there will be no big challenge to it. Okay, however, there will be little onerous you will see to complete the installation. But I have posted a playlist that contains the entire installation procedure. Okay, I made a playlist giving you all the detailed instructions of the installation method of how to set up this router. So you can definitely go ahead and check that video out. Okay, within my playlist. Okay, and we'll meet in the next video, guys. Until then, stay safe, cheers, tata.